Okay, guys, today I'm going to talk about adjustment entry. I hope that when I finish this, everyone will be able to understand what adjustment entry is, what purpose of it, and what does it do. Okay, uh, at first, adjustment entry is a special type of journal entry. It made on the last day of the period, which help us to prepare financial statement and ensure that they're accurate and completed. The purpose of it is to ensure that the recognition of criteria is complete with. Help you to accurate the balance sheet when the money come and go correctly. So what does adjustment entry do? Adjustment entry do two things. To create it, you need to bring an asset or liability account balance to it proper amount, and it recognize a revenue or an expense. Each adjustment entries impact an asset or liability account or a revenue or expense account. Remember this, adjustment entry never have cash. Remember that. You never put cash in adjustment entry, never ever. Each income statement contains one income statement and one balance sheet statement. There are two types of adjustment entry: a deferral, unearned revenue, and prepaid expense. The unearned revenue is when you get paid. You haven't done your job, but you get paid already. The other one is prepaid expense. It means that you get paid something you haven't used. You paid something you haven't used. For example, prepaid rent is one of them. The other type of adjustment entry is accrual. Accrual revenue and expense is when you receive the money after you finish your work, or you get paid by someone, or you paid for someone when they finish your work. And why do you need the adjustment entry? Sometimes the money is paid or received does not match with the expense and the income of revenue you recognize. For example, you buy a laptop, you paid it monthly, but like you can't recon all of that money in first month. You have to separate into the total amount of time you finish paying it. So adjustment entries is something help you to do that, and it reflects the correct balance of the related assets and liability. Thank you for listening.